how to make a HP laptop run faster. So if your laptop is got slower or it keeps lagging, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to speed up your computer. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the start menu on your computer. You can then type in the word settings and click on this window here. Now from the left hand side, you need to go and select apps, and then we're going to scroll down to startup. Now from here, you can check which applications automatically start up when you first turn on your computer. So what you want to do is try disabling as many of these applications as you can. So we can do that just by toggling the button to off. Next to the applications, you want to stop starting up when you first turn on your computer. Now once you've disabled all of these applications, press apps again from the left hand side, and now press installed apps. You could then click on sort by and select size large to small. Now if there's any applications on your computer that you don't use or you don't need, then what we're going to do is just uninstall that application. So this is going to organize it by which apps are taking the most amount of storage space. So I'm just going to uninstall this one here as I don't currently use this, but you essentially just need to go through the list uninstalling anything that you don't need. Now once you've done this, come back over to this page and click on System. You can then scroll down and click on Storage, and then you'll need to scroll down to Storage Sense and make sure this is turned on and enabled. Now press Clean Up Recommendations. You can then go and check the boxes next to all of these different options, and then press the Clean Up button, and you can go and delete these files by pressing Continue. Now click back on System from the left hand side, select Notifications, and make sure your notifications are turned off and disabled, as this can also slow down your computer. You'll then need to click on Gaming from the left hand side, click on the game bar, and make sure all of these options are turned off. You could then press Windows Update, click on the Check for Updates button, and just go and install any outdated software on your laptop. Once you've done this, you'll need to open up your Start menu, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance, and click on this window here. Now click on Adjust for Best Performance, and you need to select Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts, Save Taskbar Thumbnail Previews, Animations in the taskbar, and then go and press Apply and OK. Once you've done all of this, the final step is to open up your Start menu again, search for Disk Cleanup, and then click on this tool. You can then press OK, and you'll need to check the boxes next to all of these different options. You can then press OK and select Delete Files. Once you've gone through all of these steps, you'll need to restart your computer, and your HP laptop should now be running much quicker.